Here at Bell Ford, our collision center offers expert auto body repair services, ensuring quality craftsmanship and customer satisfaction.
So one of the things we do here at Bell Ford Collision is we communicate with our customers through our communication system. So we text message, we call, and we keep them informed all through the whole repair process.
We're a fun team. We like to get things done the right way.
We're one in only a couple body shops in Phoenix that are attached to a dealership, so we have to go above and beyond to meet the standards and requirements for manufacture.
As your vehicle's here at the shop, we're going to take care of it really well. We're going to make sure it's protected. We're going to make sure that everyone that's working and put hands on your vehicle treats it like it was their own vehicle.
We make sure that the parts that we take off the vehicle, we put them in racks instead of inside the car. We like to do the things the right way, not the easy way out.
Come anytime soon. If you need any questions, any help for your vehicle, doesn't matter, it has to be bodywork, you can count on us.